Hey there, this is your 15-question chemistry pop quiz. No lab goggles required. Can you pass high school chem? Think fast. React faster. Let's get into it. Question 1. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Choices are A, GO, B, GD, C, AU, or D, AG. You have 6 seconds. Pause if you need more time. Tip: the periodic table is your best friend. Master it and chemistry gets easier. Time's up. The answer is CAU. Did you know it? Head over to the next one. Question 2. What particle has a negative charge? Is it A, electron, B, proton, C, neutron, or D, atom? You have 6 seconds. Don't think negatively. Oh, wait, you should. This particle is not a happy one. Which one is it? Time's up. The answer is A, electron. Hope you're 2 for 2. Up next is number 3. Question 3. What is H2O more commonly known as? Choices are A, hydrogen, B, peroxide, C, water, or D, ozone. You have 6 seconds. Fun fact: hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. Is that the answer? Time's up. The answer is C, water. Did I trick you? Hope not. Up next, you guessed it, another question. Question 4. What is the pH of a neutral substance? Choices are A, 0, B, 5, C, 7, or D, 14. You have 6 seconds. Even Einstein had to start somewhere. Stay sharp. Focus up. Time's up. The answer is C, 7. Water is a great substance for pH 7. Neutral is the best for your water. Hope you're ready for the next question. Question 5. Which subatomic particle determines the atomic number? Choices are A, proton, B, electron, C, neutron, or D, mole. You have only 6 seconds. Win or learn. There's no losing here. Tip: remember, mass is conserved in a chemical reaction. Nothing just disappears. Time's up. The answer is A, proton. Think positive. You're done with 1/3. Up next, something fun. We wanted to spice up our video with a couple of our favorite high school chemistry experiments. And these 2 clips are all about the rainbow flame test. When different metal salts burn, they release energy as light, giving off unique flame colors. The pH rainbow. Using acids, bases, and an indicator, we can see the whole spectrum, from bright reds to deep purples. Whether it's fire or liquid, chemistry proves the rainbow is more than just light, it's science in action. Question 6. What is NaCl? Is it A, sugar, B, salt, C, vinegar, or D, baking soda? You have only 6 seconds on the clock. Don't second guess yourself. Fun fact: you're made of about 60 different chemical elements. You're basically walking science. Time's up. The answer is B, salt. How's your score so far? If you're enjoying our chemistry pop quiz so far, hit that like button and let us know how much you like the experiment we just showed you. Question 7. Which of these is a noble gas? Choices are A, oxygen, B, neon, C, hydrogen, or D, nitrogen. You have 6 seconds. Have you studied the periodic table yet? How did Mendeleev think of it all? I mean, what? Science is like magic sometimes. Time's up. The answer is B, neon. Neon lights are even cooler when you know it's a noble gas at play. Question 8. What kind of bond involves the sharing of electrons? A, ionic, B, covalent, C, metallic, or D, hydrogen. You have 6 seconds. Sharing is caring. Trivia champs aren't born. They're built one question at a time. Time's up. The answer is B, covalent. You're now more than halfway through. Keep going. Question 9. What is the name of the rows on the periodic table? Choices are A, periods, B, groups, C, columns, or D, blocks. You have 6 seconds. Another question about the periodic table. It seems important, right? Did your teacher mention this? I hope so. Time's up. The answer is a periods. Makes sense since it's a periodic table, right? Up next, you guessed it, the 10th one. Question 10. Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? Choices are A, solid, B, liquid, C, gas, or D, plasma. You have 6 seconds on the clock. Did you know? Water is the only substance that naturally exists as solid, liquid, and gas on Earth. Time's up. The answer is a solid. I hope you put in a solid effort for that one. Another fun surprise is awaiting you next. Time to brush up on some explosive chemistry. This is the famous elephant toothpaste experiment. When hydrogen peroxide breaks down, it releases oxygen gas. Add a catalyst like potassium iodide or even yeast. And that oxygen gets trapped in soap, creating a giant foamy eruption. It's not really toothpaste for an elephant, but it sure looks like it. A bubbly, colorful way to see chemical reactions in action. Question 11. What is the process of a liquid turning into a gas? Choices are A, condensation, B, freezing, C, evaporation, or D, melting. You have 6 seconds. Don't freeze. And no melting from the pressure. Which one is it? Think water cycle. Time's up. The answer is C, evaporation. Up next, we get even closer to the end. Question 12. What law states mass is neither created nor destroyed? Choices are A, law of attraction, B, law of conservation of mass, C, law of thermodynamics, or D, Newton's first law? You have 6 seconds. This one seems important. Tip, remember, mass is conserved in a chemical reaction. Nothing just disappears. Time's up. The answer is B, law of conservation of mass. So, is this true about energy too? I mean, does that mean when we die, our energy is always here? Chemistry just got deep. Question 13. What is the atomic number of carbon? Is it A14, B8, C6, or D12? You have 6 seconds. Okay, it's definitely in the second row, and rows are periods, right? So, what is the atomic number of carbon? Time's up. The answer is C. 6. Did you get it? Check out one last cool and fun chemistry reaction next. Okay, chemistry can get a little wild with this one. When sodium metal meets water, things don't stay calm for long. The metal zips around on the surface, fizzing like crazy because it's releasing hydrogen gas. Sometimes that gas even ignites. Boom, sparks and flame. It's a perfect demo of how reactive alkali metals can be. And sodium isn't even the most intense one. Potassium and cesium go off with an even bigger bang. Question 14. Which element is necessary for combustion? Choices are A, hydrogen, B, oxygen, C, nitrogen, or D, carbon. You have 6 seconds. This one may be the trickiest of the quiz. Maybe not. Which one is most important for combustion? Think fast. Time's up. The answer is B, oxygen. Did you know the answer? One question left. Question 15. What does the periodic table primarily organize elements by? Is it A, alphabetical order, B, color, C, atomic number, or D, melting point? You have 6 seconds. Every question is a chance to level up your brain power. Fun fact, you're made of about 60 different chemical elements. Time's up. The answer is C, atomic number. How was the final question? Boom, science has been served. Tell us your score below, bragging rights or study goals. Like, comment, and subscribe for more brain boosters coming at you all year long.